Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. The most annoying cryptocurrency among the top 10 digital assets according to market capitalization is probably Cardano ADA. It dabbled with the possibility of staging a remarkable rally in April, only to be confronted with a tumbling decline. Since then, this has been the general pattern. The speculations from his consistently bullish crypto specialists are the present lifeline for recovery as the coin has fallen into the penny stock zone. He continues to have a strong outlook on cryptocurrencies, particularly Cardano ADA, according to Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Cardano was making a lot of important noise, so is there something he saw that we have all missed? It has always been about who we are at our core. Fundamental reasons appear to support numerous positive stories, but regrettably they are insufficient. The development team behind Cardano has made great progress on the Hydro update and other unique features that the network desperately needs. For a very long time, the ADA coins have remained a penny, which has raised doubts about its long-term viability. The team claims that Hydro will be used as a scaling solution to increase throughput, decrease latency, do so at little to no cost, and require less storage. Everything is excellent. The fundamental triggers, however, might not be the right one for Cardano, which is the cruel truth. The majority of investors don't care about the unique characteristics, therefore investors will want to make sure that they keep their attention on investor sentiment for the cryptocurrency sector overall. Cardano is making an attempt to introduce, but all they care about is whether the updates would bring in money. Investors are looking for potential catalysts to secure wealth among the plethora of cryptocurrencies flooding the market. And if ADA ever loses the crowd, it's going to have a bad day. Generally, because it necessitates a mentality shift in people, the adoption of cryptocurrencies is challenging. Adoption is largely based on trust, and if the Cardano network loses it, its future would be more tumultuous and unpredictable. Fortunately, Cardano has a really strong team behind it, which helps to explain how it has been able to get over technical challenges. The Cardinal blockchain, in the opinion of many crypto specialists, is prepared for widespread use. Although having top-notch technology does not guarantee that it would be widely utilized by people. However, this was the only attribute that motivated investors. Long ago, Cardano would have had it launched to the moon. The failure of FTX and other centralized financial institutions is cited as evidence for why cryptocurrencies are a risky asset class. It should be clear that FTX was just a middleman in the cryptocurrency sector. Because they are run by a decentralized network of miners throughout the world, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are intended to be trustless, eliminating the need to do so when utilizing them. Undoubtedly, the cryptocurrency industry has faced some challenges. But cryptocurrencies have a special allure to consumers all around the world because of its role as a trustless peer-to-peer financial model that does away with the need for middlemen or centralized authorities. Moving forward, a top executive at IOHK recently did an interview with crypto analyst Scott Miller and claimed that the cryptocurrency field is comparable to the com bubble era. During the Manhattan Masari Mainnet conference, Garcia, Jerry Fergus, chief commercial officer of IOHK, recalled an incident that happened 4 years ago when he was interested in the crypto area at the dawn of the internet. He now claims that the cryptocurrency market is akin to what happened after that, which was obviously the dot-com bubble. Decades ago, in the 1990s, an increase in internet usage and significant investment in dot-com enterprises led to a bubble. Additionally, a lot of businesses failed when the dot-com bubble burst. However, huge successes like Amazon and a new wave of profitable internet businesses like Facebook that are now referred to as Meta emerged. We are in the 1990s of the internet, I stated when I first began out and about 4 years ago. The long game is the game. Most likely, we are currently in the dot-com bubble. 99 to 2000. We continue to feel like we are in that kind of time. And I believe we have our finger on the pulse correctly. He stated, for since it's an environment that is different from other blockchain initiatives, such as the lack of deep-pocketed venture capitalists, or VC for short, hoping for a high return on investment, I suppose God has foretold that ADA will endure criticism and survive the crypto spaces. Period. This is a significant divergence in the executive's opinion from IO.HK. Whales and insiders are quite rare. No venture capitalists, VCs, took 30%, 40%, or 50% of it. Therefore, that is yet another really distinct thing that simply follows the purpose and vision and cascades down. Where's my ROI for the upcoming year? Ask the VCs. Excuse me, where's my ROI? Future quarter. They'll claim it's a phantom chain if it's not there. Furthermore, our rivals have bought them off. Additionally, they are motivated to produce food. Time will tell whether or not Cardano will survive, he remarked before leaving out. We are proceeding properly, and I believe that time will tell. He said that he also can help you cope with Melker and that Ethereum is another blockchain project that will probably survive. I think we will be one of the ones to emerge on the other side of this, along with some of the more knowledgeable, quick-thinking, and smart individuals. Time will tell whether the Cardano team is being prudent or not, but a turnaround is undoubtedly coming. ADA recently broke his short-term upswing, and attention has now returned to the lows. Therefore, the Cardano price is still in its summer-long slump and is expected to experience a spectacular increase between 2020 and early 2021. His growth from his lows in 2020 to his highs in 2021 was up to 18,000%. In this regard, traders shouldn't anticipate a sharp rise back to the all-time highs above $3 in 2023. This does not imply uncertainty. Cardano's fundamentals are still robust, and its network is one of the most decentralized and actively growing in the cryptocurrency world. However, we must remember that the macroeconomic environment must be favorable. And that does not automatically imply that a robust economy would return. The COVID-19 epidemic, which rocked the globe in 2020, forced governments into a significant fiscal and monetary stimulus. With many experts forecasting a severe recession in 2023 and inflation in key economies like the US returning to relative control, this edge boosted cryptocurrencies and risk assets more widely. It's feasible that central banks, which have traditionally increased interest rates aggressively, will begin lowering them once more. That might pave the way for ADA recovery, then. Just like Jerry had described. Additionally, a long-term downtrend that has been holding down the price of the EDA coin on the chart for more than a year will need to be broken by Cardano for technical analysts to be satisfied. Notably, according to data provided by Santiment, Cardano has the third highest average GitHub daily development score, trailing only Polkadot and his public test. Cardano will be ranked higher than Ethereum by Shane Kusama. Additionally, the number of CUDA scripts deployed on the Cardano blockchain has now topped 4,000, according to statistics from Cardano Blockchain Insights. Since the beginning of the year, when there were fewer than 1,000 Plutus scripts deployed, this value has increased by more than 300%. It's vital to remember that Cardano first introduced the Alonzo hard fork in September 2021, making it a platform for smart contracts. It has announced the implementation of a new hard fork in September 2022, which includes numerous significant blockchain performance upgrades. The popular Cardano-focused Twitter account, Cardano, published an update on December 4th that came to the conclusion that, given the size of its subreddit firm, the ADHS price is slightly discounted in comparison to the overall cryptocurrency market. On January 18, 2022, Cardano will publish a similar update, but this time it will note that the price of ADA was marginally overvalued in comparison to the rest of the cryptocurrency market. However, among the top 2,000 whales on the Binance Smart Chain, Cardano ADA has emerged as one of the most often purchased assets. The source of this report is Whale Stats. The BNB holders have been paying attention to ADA recently for a number of weeks, and it has frequently been mentioned in such newsletters. The top whales on the Binance Smart Chain presently have 21.4 million ADA, which is equivalent to $6.1 billion. The overall portfolio of this investor group is about 86% of the $87 million duty a token share. On the BSE network, there are 500,768 Cardano holding addresses altogether. Furthermore, it may seem strange that two distinct crypto ecosystems would interact in this way, but bear in mind that whales are involved. The first consideration is financial. But what chance do significant investors perceive in ADA for them to proceed in large numbers? It's possible that the price of ADA has reached its low point and is now a desirable asset to accumulate. Additionally, this is a strong sign. But as everything has shown, only time will tell. Of course, let us know in the comment area below what you think of this last time. We'll see you in the next video, but in the meantime, check out our other films to see how Cardano is fulfilling her ambition to slay Ethereum. Be sure to always click the subscribe notification buttons.